Welcome, I'm Bill Jelen, and I've spent over 20 years helping people understand and conquer Excel. Today we're demystifying data analysis. Don't worry, you don't need to be a maths whiz. With Excel, uncovering hidden patterns and trends in your data is easier than you think. This guide will equip you with the basic tools to start making sense of your data. We'll cover importing data, sorting it for better organization, creating insightful charts, and using filters to pinpoint specific information. By the end, you'll be well on your way to making smarter business decisions and satisfying your curiosity. So whether you're a small business owner looking to understand sales figures or simply curious about exploring the world of data, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in and unlock the power of your data together. Are you ready to embark on this exciting journey? Let's get started. Before we can analyze data, we need to get it into Excel. This is easier than you might think. Excel can handle data from various sources like text files or web pages. For this guide, let's imagine you have a simple sales report. It's a table with columns for date, product, quantity, and sales. You probably have this data in a text file or a spreadsheet from another program. To import this data, open a new Excel workbook. Go to the Data tab and click from Text CSV. Select your file. Excel will show you a preview of the data. Make sure everything looks correct and click Import. Voila! Your data is now neatly organized in an Excel spreadsheet. You're one step closer to unlocking its secrets. Now that your data is in Excel, let's learn how to arrange it for easier analysis. Sorting data is like organizing a messy room. It helps you find what you need quickly and see patterns more clearly. In Excel, you can sort data by any column, whether it's alphabetical, numerical, or chronological. Let's say you want to see your sales data in chronological order. Click any cell in the Date column. Then, go to the Data tab and click the Sort button. In the dialog box, choose Sort by Date and select Oldest to Newest. Click OK. Just like that, Excel rearranges your data, showing the oldest sales at the top and the newest at the bottom. You can now easily track sales trends over time. Sorting is a simple yet powerful tool for organizing your data and making it more manageable. Next, let's explore how to visualize this data for even deeper insights. Section 4. Visualizing Insights. Creating charts in a flash. Charts are fantastic for transforming dull data into engaging visuals. They help you spot trends, compare values, and understand your data better. Excel offers a variety of charts, but we'll focus on a simple column chart for now. Let's visualize your sales over time. Select the date and sales columns, including the headers. Go to the Insert tab and click the column chart icon. Choose the first option under 2D column. Excel instantly generates a chart showing your sales figures as columns across different dates. You can now easily see which periods had high or low sales. Charts bring your data to life, making it easier to grasp insights and communicate findings. But what if you want to focus on specific data points? That's where filters come in handy. Section 5. Diving deeper. Filtering for key information. Filters are like powerful magnifying glasses, allowing you to focus on specific portions of your data. They temporarily hide rows that don't match your criteria, helping you zero in on the information that matters most. For example, let's say you want to see sales data for a specific product. Click any cell in the product column, go to the Data tab and click the Filter button. A drop-down arrow appears in the header cell. Click the arrow and uncheck Select All. Then, check the box next to the specific product you're interested in. Click OK. Now your spreadsheet only shows sales data for that product. Filters are invaluable for isolating specific data points and uncovering hidden patterns. They empower you to ask focused questions and get precise answers from your data. Section 6. Beyond the basics, expanding your Excel skills. Congratulations! You've learned the basics of data analysis in Excel. You can now import, sort, chart, and filter data to gain valuable insights. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. Excel is a vast and powerful tool with endless possibilities for data exploration. As you become more comfortable, explore other features like formulas, functions, and pivot tables. These tools can further enhance your analytical capabilities and unlock even deeper insights from your data. Remember, learning Excel is a journey, not a destination. Embrace the process, experiment with different features, and don't be afraid to seek help when needed. Section 7. Conclusion. Your journey to data mastery. Data analysis might seem daunting at first, but with Excel as your guide, it becomes an exciting adventure. By mastering the basic tools we've covered, you've taken the first step towards harnessing the power of your data. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you use these tools, the more confident and proficient you'll become. Don't hesitate to revisit this guide, explore online resources, or even join an Excel course to further enhance your skills. Now go forth and unlock the hidden potential within your data. Embrace the power of Excel and watch as your understanding of the world around you grows. Happy analyzing!